dang. Big.
Oh my God. Cap or cap. Look at that. That is beautiful. Thank you.
Hey.
Well guys, today is my very first day out on the ice. I just drilled a batch of holes and I've actually got a fish right under me right now, so I don't want to mess around too much. I do want to talk real fast though about the rod that I got this year. This is the tuned up Custom Rods Precision Noodle. Now check out that tip. That nice neon green tip is going to allow me to see the hits really good. Yeah, I got fish down there right now. Let's see what they are. I usually get some decent crappies in this lake. And the ice is really good right now. Oh, coming right at it too. I've got a Widowmaker Dragonfly, which is one of their newest lures, and I've got a white Freedom Baits Frogman on there. Alright, I just moved holes. That last hole, there was fish there, but I think they were pretty small, and they're being finicky, so I decided to head out a little further. I'm marking fish at every hole, so that's a plus. Yep, here comes some fish. Never be afraid to move, because if you're sitting on some negative fish that don't want to bite, I mean, it might be nothing just to move 2-3 holes away and you can start slaying them. There's always an active group somewhere, so it's just a matter of finding them. There's a lot of fish right here. There's twice as many as the last hole. That's not what I'm after, but first fish of the year, little bluegill on my Precision Noodle here by Tuned Up Custom Rods. See if we can get on some bigger fish. If I only catch a bunch of these little ones, I will move, because the bigger fish tend to school together and the smaller tend to school together. So if you're catching just a pile of little bitty ones, chances are you're on a school of them. I mean, again, you could move 2-3 holes and be sitting right on a pile of big ones. You just never know. Oh, I am going to try again though. That hit really hard. That bent that rod right over. There we go. Oh yeah, see? Look at that. Crappie, guys. Not a bad size one either. I will take it. He swallowed that thing. I just want to show you guys here. That's what I'm using. It is the orange and yellow polka dot Dragonfly by Widowmaker Lures, and I've got the Freedom Baits White Frogman. Oh, that hit real hard. Come on, baby. Oh. You guys, look at that toad. Oh, look at that. Awesome. Again, I should make mention, guys, I am using the orange and yellow polka dotted Dragonfly with a white Frogman. Crappie love these things. That was crappie. He's still there too. There it is. Nope, another gill. Now these gills, I never get very big gills out of this lake. I mean, the biggest I've caught out of here was like, I caught one 8-incher years ago, but they're usually averaging around 7. Wow, that came at it like a bat, man. That thing just come, as a crappie, he come flying for it. This one's a little small. I'm gonna let that guy go. Thanks for that bite though, buddy. That was awesome. Comes one again real fast. Another crappie. Get off the deucer, buddy. Just another little one. Oh, God. Camera's sliding around. Yeah, I like this dragonfly. I really like the shape of it, the way that it hangs like that. I knew it would go really good with the frog, man. It probably, I'm sure those legs dance around really good pretty soon. Probably in the next couple days I'll get out with the camera and I'll show you guys some underwater film of what it looks like when it's dancing around. Ooh, there looks like some good marks down there right now. Oh, that might have been a pike. He spooked the rest of my fish off and come up on it real slow. Pike or a bass. Nope, it's back. There it is. There it is. Yeah, that ain't a panfish. I'm gonna say pike or a bass. I could tell by how he come in and how he scared those fish off. I knew that it wasn't one of my panfish. Look at that precision noodle bend. It's nice. And as far as I'm concerned, you can't beat these Black Betty inline reels. They're the best. I've never had a reel as good as these. Got me down in the weeds. Probably a pike. Gotta be getting tired. Try and get him out. That's all there is to it. He's coming. He started pulling back. Got to have a lot of weeds on there. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. That's a nice pike. Get sideways so I can get you out of that hole. God, what a mess. Look at that. Jeez. That is probably the most weeds that I've ever pulled up with a pike. That's a nice pike too. Nothing bad there. Probably, I'm sure it's legal. I'm gonna measure it, but threw the hook too as soon as he got out. All right, let's measure this pike up here. I'm gonna bet he's 24. Oh yeah, 25. Pike tacos. check that out. First day on the ice. On the small side, I'm gonna let that one go. They're not bad. Oh, smoked it. Hit like a crappie. Another one, baby. One after another, baby. I'll throw that one back. Back. A little on the small side. Racing for it though, they ain't messing around. love that color though, they're pretty. Fish. Awesome fishing right there, folks. Freedom baits, Widowmaker jigs, tuned up custom rods. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Oh man, it is like, it's in the teens right now with the wind chill in the single digits or negatives. It is cold. I should not have gone out there without a shanty. But God, I had a blast. That was only like 2 hours. Maybe not even, guys. It was like an hour and a half. 20 fish that I kept, mostly crappies that you see, bluegills, the pike. I mean, what an exceptional day. I'm gonna see if Rick wants to come back out tomorrow, except bring the shanty and the heater and all that, so we're toasty warm. But oh, you can't beat that. First ice right there, first time out. That is hard to beat. So I hope you guys enjoyed this ice fishing video. I know it wasn't crazy with the camera views, but I only had the one camera on me today. It's hard to do when you're out by yourself on the ice like that. In the shanty, I'll have a bunch more of those. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, let me know what you think. Big shout out to my monthly patrons. Thank you guys so much for signing up to Patreon. Sign up today, guys. You can sign up for as low as $1 a month, and it helps out a whole lot. Season at LT Outdoors has been brought to you by Freedom Baits. Go to freedombaits.com and use discount code LT Outdoors. Gets you 10% off. Also, Widowmaker Lures. My favorite lures are on this website. Go to widowmakerlures.com, use discount code LT Outdoors. Gets you 10% off. Stone Tackle. StoneTackle.com has some of the best ice fishing tackle boxes available. Go to StoneTackle.com and use discount code LT Outdoors. Gets you 15% off. And Tuned Up Custom Rods. In this season, you will see me use the Precision Noodle for panfish, as well as the Precision Rod for walleye and perch. Make sure you check out Tuned Up Custom Rods for awesome ice fishing rods.
Took me like 3 hours to finish the shading on your upper lip.